Today I just got the diamond knife sharpener from Gerber. Here it is. Twist this to make the sharpener come all the way out. There's a stainless steel rod right here, but you don't need that for anything. So there's a flat side and a round side. You can use any side, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I know last week I said I was gonna get the Scout knife, but I couldn't find it, so next week I'm gonna definitely get it. So that's how you sharpen it.